While we were praying and Minister Abby was ministering, I heard in my spirit, the Holy Spirit said to me that the church is marching on. He said the church is marching on. And he said to me that this is the season of beholding, because the days of his glory are upon us. So child of God, wherever you are, I want you to take on a posture of somebody that has come to behold Jesus, because the days of his glory are upon us. The days of the glory of the Lord are upon us. And this is the season where it is time for you to behold Jesus. In the Bible it says, eat, for the journey is far. Eat now, because the journey is far. What you eat now is what equips you to journey long with God. What you eat now is what will equip you to journey long with God. Shada banda bruta paita babola. Era de bene sababalia. Shede bere tamba balatai. Abrata kobelata saba. Brente shede bere tabina. Abrata kabambe. Erede bene kabilata suba. Abrete kebinandela. Apapapaparata. Take a posture, take a posture. Take on a posture of beholding Jesus. Irababai. Ebekeberebebelatata. Abrata kababoli. Abrata dadadadadi. Abarata kabanda baboli. Abrata tetete. Eberebebete saba. Abababokoberedela. Erebebelatai. Abakabrata kabalata. I will not fail. Ipa, 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 ipa. I will not fail. Oh, tatai, 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 eta, ite, apai, apo, ete, ita, atai, ite, atai, 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 ete, ito, atai, etai, ete, apai, epe, atati, ite, atai, 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 ite, itai, atame, atane, ite, itatu kapa,